everybody. I'm Shashank Sharma, and welcome back to HiveMQ's channel. So in this video, we will explore how manufacturers can extend the adoption of Sparkplug in industrial environments when scaling IoT architectures by combining MQTT, Sparkplug, and HiveMQ's Data Hub. If you're an OT manager looking to simplify shop floor data streaming, improving system reliability, and future-proof your digital transformation initiatives, you are in the right place. So today's manufacturing environment are complicated. Devices, SCADA systems, historians, and analytical tools are often connected using a patchwork of point-to-point architectures. And the mess of legacy protocol, siloed data, and incompatible systems are difficult and costly to maintain. To truly unlock the value of smart manufacturing, companies need to rethink how data flows across their operations. Manufacturers are solving these problems by moving to a publish-subscribe communication model with MQTT as the foundation. Instead of tight coupling between the systems, MQTT allows devices to publish data once to the central broker, and any application can subscribe to it as needed. This simplifies integration, reduces network traffic, and makes it easier to scale. Adding structure on top of MQTT is the Unified Namespace, a real-time organized view of your entire enterprise data based on logical naming conventions and the standardized data models. Also, a lot of manufacturers use Sparkplug to streamline device communication. It's a very popular protocol used in the OT environments. So Sparkplug provides some very important enhancements, such as automatic discovery of devices and metrics, consistent payload structure, state detection using birth and death certificates, faster data publishing via Protobuf protocol, which is a binary method. So now, thanks to Sparkplug, devices can report not just their data, but also their status, making it easier to detect failures and manage real-time operations. Now, IT applications would like to take advantage of Sparkplug due to these features, but typically they cannot, as Sparkplug is not supported by them natively, or they don't understand the data that is encrypted in the protobuf format. So this is where the Sparkplug module for data comes in. It enhances the Sparkplug experience by providing you a way to get around these limitations without requiring you to change your devices or existing MQTT infrastructure. So with this module enabled, you can enforce the data quality, data conversion, and simplify the integration with the IT systems. Also, to ensure that there is a great union of Sparkplug seamlessly into your unified namespace model. The capability in the Data Hub specifically delivers these three capabilities. So first one is schema validation. You can validate the incoming Sparkplug payloads against the predefined schema. You can catch the missing fields, incorrect data types, or inconsistencies. You can also automatically decode the binary payloads from Sparkplug into human-readable JSON format, which are also easily readable by IT applications. This makes it easy to integrate with the downstream IT applications, which are mostly JSON-based. These are such as MES or IT systems such as databases, etc. So this Sparkplug module helps you split also the respective device metrics into MQTT topics. This enables for a fine-grained subscription, easier integration with your IT system, as well as the UNS architecture. Now, let's take a look at the demo. So on the screen, you're seeing right now HiveMQ Control Center, and you can find modules under the main navigation board under Data Hub and modules. Now let's take a look at the messages that are coming from Sparkplug and how they look like if we pass them through the broker. So here I'm subscribing to my complete namespace that is coming from the broker. And if I look at it, now I will start seeing some messages running with temperature, pressure, values, but I can't see how they look like. Now let's take a look at the module. We go and create instance. We can configure our module. In the module, we can add a topic prefix, select if we want to fan out Sparkplug metrics, or if we want to increment the metrics for invalid Sparkplug P messages. This information is pre-filled for us when you create an instance. So now I create and click. And as soon as I click, we start seeing in our terminal screen that the messages are being converted to JSON from Protobuf in the real time. So with that, Sparkplug module of Data Hub can convert messages in flight from Protobuf to JSON. And with that, manufacturers can take full control of their IIoT data streams, ensuring quality and true real-time visibility across operations. Thank you.